Okay, question 3b. So the first thing you have to do is factorise where you can. So we can factorise that. That's the difference of two squares. So square root of 4x squared. So open double brackets. The square root of 4x squared will be 2x. The square root of 9 is 3. Make one bracket positive and the other negative. And that's all over 3. Take away 2x. You can't divide by a fraction. You need to change it to a times and flip that upside down. So we'll have times 2x minus 3 over 3 plus 2x. Now we need to see what cancels. So 3 plus 2x is the same as 2x add 3 because that's positive and that's positive. So it's okay to write it like that. So 2x add 3 and 2x add 3, they're the same. 2x minus 3, they're going across. You can't cancel those out. And then that's a negative 2x, so it's not the same as plus 2x. So your answer is going to be 2x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3 all over 3 minus 2x. Or you can write it as 2x minus 3 squared over 3 minus 2x.